Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is October 19, 2024, and we have a lineup of intriguing stories from the world of Apple and technology. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Our first story today involves a significant investigation by the US Commerce Department into Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC. The inquiry is centered around potential breaches of US sanctions, as TSMC is suspected of supplying chips to Huawei, the Chinese tech giant. This investigation was triggered by Huawei's unexpected comeback in the smartphone market, particularly with its Mate 60 model, which boasts 5G capabilities despite US restrictions. If TSMC is found guilty of using US-made equipment to produce these chips, it could face penalties that might impact its ability to manufacture chips for Apple, one of its major clients. This situation underscores the complexities of international trade and technology supply chains amid ongoing geopolitical tensions. In more positive news for Apple, the iPhone 16 has seen a remarkable surge in sales in China, with a 20% increase in the first 3 weeks compared to last year's model. This is a significant achievement for Apple, considering the challenges it has faced in the Chinese market, including stiff competition and a growing interest in AI and foldable devices. The iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max models have performed even better, with sales up 44% compared to their predecessors. However, there is still some uncertainty surrounding the rollout of Apple Intelligence, which is expected to launch soon, but will initially only support US English. Apple's efforts to navigate China's regulatory environment and its plans to support Chinese language features by 2025 will be crucial in maintaining this momentum. Shifting gears to the world of photography, there's an ongoing debate among tech giants like Apple, Google, and Samsung about the evolving definitions of what constitutes a photograph. With AI advancements in smartphone cameras, the lines between real and manipulated images are becoming increasingly blurred. Samsung's Patrick Chaumet suggests that there is no such thing as a real picture, while Google's Isaac Reynolds emphasizes the importance of capturing memories over exact representations. Apple's John McCormack, however, maintains a more traditional view, celebrating photographs as real events in one's life. This discussion highlights the significant impact of AI on the future of photography and the challenges it presents in defining reality in visual media. In security news, a researcher recently discovered a vulnerability in Apple's Find My app that allowed users to bypass consent for recurring location tracking notifications. By manipulating the acceptance status field in the app's API request, the researcher was able to set up notifications without the required approval. Apple has since patched this vulnerability and awarded the researcher a $10,000 bounty for their discovery. This incident serves as a reminder of the importance of rigorous security measures in app design to protect user privacy. Lastly, Apple has decided to remove all apps belonging to Radio Free Europe, Radio Liberty, from the Russian App Store, following a demand from Russia's federal censor, Roskomnadzor. The apps were deemed illegal in Russia and did not comply with app review guidelines. This move represents a significant blow to independent journalism in Russia, where access to such media has become increasingly restricted due to government crackdowns. The removal of these apps highlights the ongoing challenges faced by media organizations operating in regions with limited media freedom. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and informative. Be sure to check the episode notes for links to all the articles discussed today. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of Apple and technology. Until then, stay curious and stay informed.